Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting this new chapter, constructions. And this is question number 1. Construct a triangle XYZ in which the two base angles, angle X is given 60 degree and angle Z is given 90 degree. And the perimeter, that is XY plus YZ plus ZX, is given 11 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the three sides, that is given 11 centimeter. And this is question number 4 of exercise 11.2. So just look how we will start this. First we will draw this one, the given perimeter. First we will draw this in this way. Is it there? What is our step number 1? Draw a line segment AB which is equal to the perimeter of the triangle, that is 11 centimeter. Step number 2, then we will construct half of this angle 60 at point A and half of this angle 90 degree at point B. Then what we will do? Draw these two rays. A, draw rays AP and BQ is such that this angle BAP will be how much? Half of this angle, half of 60 degree, that is 30 degree, and draw rays AP and BQ such that angle BAP is equal to half of 60 degree, that is 30 degree, and angle ABQ is half of 90 degree, that is 45 degree, respectively, to intersect each other at, just look at, this is angle X, it will be here, this is angle Z, it means the third vertex will be where both the rays will be intersect, that vertex will be Y, to intersect each other at point Y. Is it there? Now, how you have to construct this? So just look here. At point A, we have to draw the ray AP such that this angle should be 30 degree. So how we will construct this? First we will take a suitable radius. Is it there? And then from here, so this angle will be 60. This will be 60. And then we will bisect this angle. So we will put the compass here and we will take more than half radius. We will cut off an arc here and this one here. So this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. And this ray is which one? AP. How much is this angle? This angle is 30 degree and this is ray AP. Is it there? And at point B, we will consider the ray BQ such that angle ABQ should be how much? 45. So for 45 degree, what we will do first? We will put the compass here and in this way we will cut off this arc. Is it there? And then from here we will cut off the arc this will be of 60 degree and this will be of 120 degree. Is it there? And then we will put the compass here and more than half radius we will cut off arcs like this from here in this way. So this is the 90 degree. This is the 90 degree angle and then we will bisect it. So what we will do then? We will put the compass here and more than this radius, this arc radius, we will cut off the arcs like this and they will intersect here. So this will be the angle 45. This is the angle 45 and just look here. This is the angle 45 degree and this is ray Q, BQ, respectively to intersect each other at point Y. So this is the point Y. This is the point Y. And what is the value of this angle? This one. This is 45 degree. Is it okay? Now we will do the perpendicular bisectors of AY and BY. AY and BY. So just look here. What is our step number 3rd? Draw the perpendicular bisectors of which one? This one, AY and BY. AY and BY to intersect this one, to intersect AB at points X and Z respectively. X and Z respectively. Now is it there? Now we will do the perpendicular bisector of these two. So just look here, in what way? For the construction of perpendicular bisector of AY, we will put the compass here at point A, and this is our pencil. We will cut off two arcs either of the sides, here and here. Is it there? And same process we will do from the point Y. So they are intersecting here. Is it there? So we will join them. This is the perpendicular bisector of AY. And which point is this? To intersect AB at point X. This is point X. This is point X. And similarly, we will construct the perpendicular bisector of BY. So in this way, again we will put here and more than half radius, we will cut off the arcs. Here and here, and just look there. This is the perpendicular bisector of which one? BY. And this will intersect where? At point Z. At point Z. Is it there? Is it here? Now we will join X, Y and YZ. Is it there? This is step number 4. Join this one, X, Y. And ZY. This I am joining. Okay, join x, y and z, y. So this is the required triangle. Which one? X, Y, Z. This is x, this is z, and this is y. So finally what will you write here? X, Y, Z is the required triangle. Is it there? Now this is question number 2. Construct an equilateral triangle of each side equal to 5 centimeter and justify the construction. And this is this is question number 5. This is question number 5 of exercise 11.1. So how we have to construct this triangle? Just look here. First we will draw a line segment of length AB. And what is the length of this? 5 centimeter. Is it there? So what is our step number 1? Draw a line segment bar above AB is the symbol for line segment AB. How much? 5 centimeter. In the next step, taking A as a center and radius is equal to 5 centimeter, cut off NR. And in the next step, taking B as a center and radius 5 centimeter, cut off another arc to intersect the arc in step second at point C. Now what we have to do? We will take A as a center and radius how much? 5 centimeter. We will cut off an arc. Is it there? So we will put this here. And we will, with the same radius, this 5 centimeter, we will cut off the arc here. And with the same radius, and that is 5 centimeter, we will cut off this arc in this way. So both will intersect at this one. Both the arcs will intersect where? At point C. And finally, what will we do? We will join this AC and BC. AC and BC. Is it there? Step number 4. Join this one, AC and BC. So thus ABC is the required equilateral triangle. Next thing is to justify the construction. So how will we justify this? We will measure justification. Just look here. Justification. What will happen in justification? We will measure the sides AC and BC. AC will come 5 centimeter. BC will come also 5 centimeter. Angle A will come, angle B equal to angle C, and that is 60 degree. That is 60 degree. So just look here. This side is also how much? 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. This angle will come 60 degree. This angle will come 60 degree, and this angle will also come 60 degree. So this happens in an equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal and all the angles are equal to 60 degree. So in this way, the construction is justified. Now this is question number 3. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of the hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. So this is question number 5 of exercise 11.2, and this question is just same as question number 1 of this exercise 11.2. So for this, first we will draw this rough sketch. This one, suppose I want to construct the right angle triangle ABC in which the base is 12 centimeter, this angle B is 90 degree, and this hypotenuse AC and this side AB, their sum is 18 centimeter. Now just look at what is question number 1 of this exercise. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is given. This BC is given 7 centimeter, this angle B is given 75 degree, and AB plus AC is given how much? 10 centimeter there. So both are the same questions. The values are changed. So how we will construct this? So first we will draw this line segment BC. How much? It is given 12 centimeter. This is this we will construct BC 12 centimeter. Just look at this. Draw BC is equal to 12 centimeter and then draw a ray BX such that angle CBX is 90 degree. We will construct the 90 degree angle at point B. And this ray is what? BX. How we have to construct this? We will put here, and then we will cut off an arc like this. Then we will make the first arc here with the same radius here, and then we will put the arc here. Then this is the 90-degree angle. Is it there? Now the next thing, locate a point P on ray BX such that BP is equal to 18 centimeter. Now we will locate a point here on this BX. And how? This BP should be is equal to this sum, 18 centimeter. What should be the length of BP? That is 18 centimeter. And join CP, and we will join this one. We will join this CP, and then we will draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. Step number 3. Draw the perpendicular bisector of this one, PC, to intersect. That will intersect this one, ray BX, to intersect ray BX at point, this is BCA, at point A. Is it there? Now we will do the perpendicular bisector of this. So in this way this will come from here, this is exactly in the between. Is it there? And how we will do the perpendicular bisector of this? Just look here. We will put the compass here and cut off two arcs like in this way, and here also. Is it there? And then we will put here, and they will intersect like this, and similarly we will put here at point C, and we will intersect them. From point C we will put like this and construct this arc. So this is the perpendicular bisector of PC. This will intersect where? Ray BX at point A. This is point A. This is point A. And we will join then AC. We will join AC. Join AC. So we will join this AC. Is it there? So this ABC is the required triangle. ABC is the required triangle. Now the next thing, justification of this. can write here justification. Just look at the justification. What we will do? We will measure AB and we will measure AC. Okay, so this AB will come 5 centimeter and this AC will come 13 centimeter, and finally what will we write? AB plus AC. AB plus AC, this is how much? 5 plus 13, that is 18 centimeter, and this we have to justify. So AB plus AC is how much? 18 centimeter. So in this way our construction is justified. Our construction is justified. Now this is question number 4. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 degree, and AB minus AC is given 3.5 centimeter. And this is question number 2 of exercise 11.2. So first we will draw the rough sketch. This is our rough sketch. This is BC 8 centimeter, angle B is 45, and the difference is given. AB minus AC is 3.5. The difference is given in this way. This clockwise difference. And AB minus AC is given 3.5 centimeter. So how we will do this? Just look here. First we will draw this one, the base BC. First thing, we will draw the base BC in this way. Okay. Draw line segment BC is equal to 8 centimeter and then draw a ray, which one? BX, such that angle CBX is equal to 45 degree. Is it there? Then we will draw a ray such that this will be 45 degree. This angle should be 45 degree. Is it there? And then we will locate a mark point P on this ray, on ray BX, such that BP should be equal to this difference. How much? 3.5 centimeter. BP should be equal to this difference and join PC. Same as in this question. First we draw this one, then we draw the ray BX, then BP 18 centimeters. Same process here. So we will construct the 45 degree angle here. How? We will put the compass here. Then from here This will be the 60-degree mark. This will be the 120-degree mark. Then it will come 90-degree. Is it there? Like this. This will be our 90-degree mark, and then we will do the bisector of this by taking this log here, okay, and this will intersect in this way, So this is the 45-degree angle. Is it okay? This is. And what is the next step? Then we will locate a point P on BX such that BP is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then here we will locate a point P. This is point P on BX such that BP is how much? This difference 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. And join PC. This one. This we have to join. Same. Join PC. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. Then we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this. So how? In this way we will draw this. We will put the compass here and more than half radius. We will cut off arc here. And in this way here. And then we will put here. This will intersect here and this will intersect here. So this is the perpendicular bisector of PC. So what is this? The next step, draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. Same. Draw the perpendicular bisector of PC to intersect which ray? Ray BX, to intersect BX at point A. Just look where this is intersecting this one. A. This is the perpendicular bisector. This intersecting at where? Point A. Point A. Is it there? And finally, what will we do? Join AC. Join AC. And ABC is the required triangle. This is the required triangle A, B, C. This one. Is it there? Now for the justification. Just look here. Since this point A lies on perpendicular bisector of which one? PC. Since A lies on perpendicular bisector of which one? PC. PC. Therefore, what will happen? Therefore, this AP will be equal to AC. Why? Because just look, when these two sides are equal. So if you look these two triangles, this one AP and suppose this is point M. What is there? PM is equal to this one. This side is common and this angle is 90. So triangles are congruent. Therefore AP will be AC. AP will be AC. Now just tell me, what is this BP? Can you tell me the BP? Just look the justification here. Now just tell me, what is BP? BP is AB minus AP. Since BP is what? What is BP? AB minus AP. AB minus AP. And what is AP? AP is how much? AC. And what is the length of BP? We have constructed here. Locate a point that BP is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Or you can say, we can change this. AB minus AP is equal to how much? BP. And this is given 3.5 centimeter. What is the length of BP? 3.5 centimeter. Now tell me, this AB will remain here. AB minus, what is AP? AP is AC. Can we write in place of AP AC? AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. And what we have to justify? This AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. So in this way, this construction is justified. Now this is question number 5. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle B is 60 degree and AC minus AB is 2 centimeter. Just look at these two questions, 4th and 5th. There is a little bit difference. Here the difference is clockwise, AB minus AC, and in this question the difference is AC minus AB. एक छोटा सा डिफरेंस है जिसमें कि जो है हम लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस देयर? इन द क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, यानी AB माइनस AC, एंड हियर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज AC माइनस AB. तो हाउ वी विल स्टार्ट दिस? जस्ट लुक हियर. फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ दिस लाइन BC. What is our step number 1? The first one is draw the line segment BC is equal to how much? 6 centimeter it is given. It was given 6 centimeter. And then in the step number 2, draw the ray BX such that angle CBX should be 60 degree. Okay. Then what we will do? We will construct a ray BX such that this angle should be 60 degrees. In what way? We will do this. Okay. And the first arc from here. This is the angle 60. This is the 60 degree angle. The ray BX. Is it there? And now what is the second step? The third step. Either produce this ray in the downward direction or construct an opposite ray to BX. Draw a ray BY. Opposite to ray BX is such that angle CBY. CBY is equal to how much? What was this angle? 60 degree. So what will be the supplementary of this? CBY is 180 minus 60. That is 120 degree. Draw a ray BY opposite to ray BX such that angle CBY is 180 minus 60 degree. This much. You need supplementary of this angle. This is ray BY. Is it there? And how this ray is to constructed? This angle should be 120 degree. It's okay? Now in the next step, locate a point P on this ray, this downward ray BY is such that BP is equal to this difference. We will locate a point here such that what should be BP? BP is equal to that difference 2 centimeter such that BP is equal to 2 centimeter. Is it there? Step number 5. We will join this CP. We will join this CP and we will draw its perpendicular bisector. Now join PC and draw its perpendicular bisector to intersect this ray bx at point, and that will be A. Now what will we do? We will draw the perpendicular bisector of this one, PC. And in what way? This is the perpendicular bisector of this. And how we will draw this? We will put the compass here, cut off arcs in this way, also here, and in this way. This is the perpendicular bisector of PC, and where they are intersecting? At point A. At point A. Finally, we will join AC. Join AC, and ABC is the required triangle. ABC is the required triangle. Justification: since A lies on perpendicular bisector of PC. Just look here, this is point A and this lies on perpendicular bisector of PC. So therefore what will happen? This AP will be equal to AC. AP will be equal to AC. Now just look here, this BP, this is the BP, and this is equal to what? This AP minus AB. What is BP? BP is AP, complete AP minus AB. So now AP minus AB is equal to BP. Just look here, what is this AP? AP is AC. So we can say AC minus AB is equal to BP, or AC minus AB is equal to BP. What was the length BP? We locate a point P on ray BY such that BP is equal to how much? 2 centimeter. This was 2 centimeter, and this we have to justify. So in this way this construction is justified. Now just look at this extra question. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter. So just look here. First, for this, We will draw the base. How much? 8 centimeter. What is our step number 1? Draw the base. यानी लाइन सेगमेंट BC is equal to how much? 8 centimeter. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. To find the midpoint M of BC. First step is this, कि we will draw this line segment. Which one? BC. And then we will construct this perpendicular bisector. Like in this way, we will put here. In this way, they will intersect here. No problem is there. In this way, they will intersect here. Okay? And this is the perpendicular bisector. This is the perpendicular bisector. Is it there? Now, this is the midpoint M. We draw the perpendicular bisector of BC to find the midpoint M of BC. Now, taking M as a center, and radius is equal to 4 centimeter. That is altitude. That is the length of altitude. Now you will take M as a center and radius is equal to the length of the altitude. That is 4 centimeter. Cut off an arc to intersect the perpendicular bisector of BC at point A. Now, we will take M as a center and we will cut off the arc, and this should be 4 centimeter. This is point A. And finally we will join AB and AC. So this is our step number 4. Join AB and AC, and thus ABC is the required triangle. ABC is the required triangle. Now what we will do? We will join this. AB and AC. And this ABC is the required triangle. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.